The infinity of black and white combinations, the elemental passion of light and darkness meeting, and the drama of people developing through as shadows. Zura Apkhazi creates maps by playing with contrasts, constantly experimenting with pigments inspired by celestial bodies and their trajectories, the sound of stones roaming in weightlessness. On July 12th, 2022, Dédicace Gallery presented Zura Apkhazi's multimedia project, The Noise of Stones, at the Dimitri Shevardnadze National Gallery of Tbilisi, curated by Khatuna Khabuliani. Before I talk further about the exhibition, I would like to mention that Zura Apkhazi was given the complete space of the temporary exhibition on the first floor. And the project that he had been working on from 2015 up until 2022 is spread all over the large 4 halls, where his works on canvas, objects, video installations, and sound are combined. This piece is a kind of introduction to the exhibition and the author himself. In the video, we see the landscape of Tbilisi, the old settlements and the desert-like environment, which follow the background of the entire exhibition. The desert-like surfaces are transformed on the canvases, and the mirror as an object which reflects the sky and the environment, and it sort of becomes a link between the earth and the sky. Upon entering the first hall, the viewer's attention is drawn to the 5-meter expressive abstract work of Zura Apkhazi, which occupies the entire width of the left wall, and it very well manages to dynamically increase the atmosphere around it. Behind me, you will see silhouettes that hint and perfectly define the rhythm of this hall. It is crucial to notice that each hall complements each other and is visually and conceptually connected as to create a singular image. It is as if they are connected and they help each other to either form elusive or direct reflections. Right beside the silhouettes, there is a video documentation presented of a performance by Zura Apkhazi in 2017 at Dédicace Gallery for the exhibition Black Box Records. And it sort of manages to create this very tranquil and meditative state of mind for the viewer. In the third hall, there is 1 diptych and 3 large canvases, in the center of which a textured black river of sand, glass inclusions, and soot flows. It is important to know that upon entering the exhibition, you are met with the smell of soot, which fills up the space and very accurately defines the atmosphere of the exhibition. Throughout the exhibition, the visitor will see that the artistic vision and the main inspiration of Zura Apkhazi is highly influenced by the environment where he was born, raised, lives, and works in. The settlements carved into the rock of the historical monument, Tbilisi, the desert-like surroundings, and the food plains of the river itself influenced the artist, who made a kind of creative discovery of this place because of its antiquity and mystery. It is for this reason that the mirrored platform installed in front of the pictorial pyramid, the sound and the sky video installation presented in a triangular prism, which is reflected on the board and the artist, gives a meditative performance. And it is connected to the video installation presented in the first hall, and it metaphorically expresses Zura Apkhazi's creative connection to his surrounding environment. Overall, this rather complex concept, gripping yet enticing exhibition, truly manages to capture the essence, the eye, and the mind of the viewer.